Today I'll be showing you how to make white chocolate and dark chocolate water ganache. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Riri Bakes and Creates. It's been a long time, it's been a year and 2 months, but we're back. And like I said already, today we're going to make white chocolate and dark chocolate ganache. So let's show you the ingredients. The ingredients you will need are 260 grams of dark chocolate, 65 milliliters of water, 200 grams of white chocolate and 33 milliliters of water. I'm going to be using a 6:1 ratio of white chocolate to water and a 4:1 ratio of dark chocolate to water. Now I'm going to put the dark chocolate in the microwave for 30 seconds. That is what it looks like after 30 seconds, and as you can see, it's not very melted, so I'm going to put it back in for another 30 seconds until it's melted. This is what it looks like after 1 minute, and I think it still needs some time to melt, so I'm going to put it back in for 15 seconds. This is what it looks like after 1 minute and 15 seconds. Now, here's the scary part. I'm going to pour the water into the chocolate. That might sound a bit ugh, but trust me, it looks good after. As I said already, it looks lumpy at first when you're first mixing it, but as you mix it more and more and more, then it will go together and then it will look like normal ganache. There you have it, the perfect dark chocolate water ganache. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with the white chocolate, and you'll see how that looks now. Here comes the scary part again. All done. This is what it looks like after 15 minutes in the fridge. You can use this ganache as any other ganache and you'll get the same results. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful or you liked it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because it helps the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe, and you can't comment, can you? So turn on the post notification bell down below, and then I'll see you in my next video where I'll be making a sideways cake. So bye!